The last thing we did is to drill a couple holes in our new workbench, 1.5-inch holes, perfect size for this tubing that I bought at the home center. Now this tubing is commonly used for like a bilge pump or sump pump. What I'll be using it for is kind of a homemade dust collection system. Now a miter saw can be positioned here. This can hook to the dust port itself, or basically any power tool that has a dust port. Then this will be hooked to a little shop vac that will be positioned here, and the power for the shop vac, since we don't have any outlets there, will come up through this hole and plug right in. Now this will help minimize the amount of dust that might collect or be created in this room because it will be used for storage. Another idea, this little shelf can be used anytime for anything that you want to set up here, but it's also perfect for this fan to be positioned here. You can open the window and exhaust more of the dust. Plus, if you're working with anything that has some really strong fumes like paint or stripper, this will help to provide the ventilation that you need in those situations. Also, during the summertime with the window open, you can turn it around this way, get a little breeze blowing in your shop.